Who played Mrs. Robinson in The Graduate? You got the point if you answered Anne Bancroft. In The Matrix, does Neo take the blue pill or the red pill? You got the point. What American writer slash director starred in several iconic European produced spaghetti westerns? Clint Eastwood. That's the right answer. Okay, the head of what kind of animal is front and center in an infamous scene from Godfather? Of course it is. In Risky Business, what song did Tom Cruise famously lip sync to in his underwear? All Time Rock and Roll by Bob Seger. For which 1964 musical blockbuster did Julie Andrews win the Academy Award for Best Actress? Mary Poppins it is. The stage play Everybody Comes to Rick's was adapted for the scene to become what 1942 Best Picture winner? Casablanca it is. What animated classic was the first film of the late 20th century Disney Renaissance?
I'm not sure.
The Little Mermaid. What's the name of the Charlie Chaplin most famous recurring character? Point for you guys. Who played the unsinkable Molly Brown in Titanic? Good memory. Which actress's name, who voiced Princess Elsa in the Frozen films, did John Travolta botch at the 2014 Oscars? Dina Menzel. What 1970 movie marked the future debut of Arnold Schwarzenegger?
I hope I'm right about it.
Hercules in New York. What is the highest grossing movie of all time when not taking inflation into account? Avatar
We
it
get it.
is.
We get credit. You
Who is the first woman of color to win the Oscar for the Best Actress?
Nope.
Halle Berry.
Halle Berry.
Who played the Wicked Witch of the West in The Wizard of Oz? Margaret Hamilton it is.
Nope.
How many Oscars has Meryl Streep won? So she won 3 Oscars.